be performed by Maryland alumnus Warren Sense. The colors are being presented by soldiers from the Defense Information School at Fort George G. Meade and the University of Maryland Air Force ROTC Honor Guard.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Comcast Center for tonight's game, featuring the Miami Hurricanes and your Maryland Terps-Canes. Introducing the starting lineups. For the Hurricanes, at forward, a 6'11" junior from Douala, Cameroon, number 35, Kenny Kachi. At center, a 6'10" junior from Winston-Salem, number 42, Reggie Johnson. At guard, a 5'11" freshman from Orlando, number 0, Shane Larkin. At guard, a 6'5" junior from the Bronx, number 1, Duran Scott. And at guard, a 6'1" senior from Brooklyn, New York, number 3, Malcolm Grant. Assistant coaches are Eric Kunkel, Michael Huger, and Chris Caputo. Miami's head coach is Jim Laranega.
Terps-Canes, it's game time.